What is a niche or niche, and why do you need it when you're launching a coaching or consulting business? So a niche is basically, what is your area of expertise? Who the heck are you talking to? So by honing in on your expertise and who you serve and making it crystal clear, people who are watching your content, meaning your videos, your posts, the things that you are sharing in your marketing, will make it crystal clear that they comprehend that your services are for them. The biggest problem I'm seeing is that people pick a niche, but then they're not crystal clear as to the problem they're solving. They're not crystal clear as to the results that they're getting people. It's all very vague, mystical, full of jargon, lots of fluffy words. So if someone says to me, I'm a life coach who helps people live with joy and abundance. Well, that sounds great, but guess what? Me hiring a cleaning service will give me joy. Me going out and picking vegetables from my garden will give me abundance. So you see how that's all very vague? There's too many people saying, I'll help your business grow. But what does that mean? What kind of business? What kind of growth? What stage am I at? Is it beginner? Is it preliminary? Is it middle of the road? Is it scaling? Is it multi-millions? So it's really about getting clarity, guys. Because if you don't get clarity, this is a mistake I see hundreds of coaches, consultants, mentors. They're listening to too much online jargon. With the right support and the right strategy, and by having a mentor who has walked the walk before you, it's really easy to put all these steps in place and launch your own coaching business without the overwhelm. It's when you're bombarded from other angles and you're listening to a million different people telling you a million different ways and you're overcomplicating things, that's when the overwhelm sets in. How do I know this? Because I fell into that trap. When I was coming onto the online coaching and consulting space, I didn't know what I was doing, or at least I thought so. So I fell for the trap of every shiny object, every program, every course, every coach, every mentor. All I did was constantly invest in people that confused and overwhelmed me. When I finally stopped, reevaluated what I was doing, and decided to create my own strategy, and I basically used the same business principles that I used offline to grow 11 successful brick and mortar businesses, I brought them online. I created my own methodology, my own way of doing it, and I hit 6 figures that first year when I used my own business strategy of doing it, and I created the method that works. This is the method that I teach in the Brilliant Business Reinvention program, which is my signature program. So in the Exit Strategy workshop, the Exit Strategy Formula workshop, which is my free workshop that's 3 days that I'm inviting you into, I pull the curtain back and I share exactly the steps I took to get clarity on my coaching and consulting business, figure out the direction I was going, figure out then how I was gonna take the steps to actually create my exit plan, and the mindset shifts that I had to make to bring me to the place where I actually could take action and reinvent myself, because it was scary. I'm sharing all of this for free in the Exit Strategy Formula workshop. The link is above or below this video. It is going to be better than the last 4 things you've paid for. And I promise you that I will walk you through step by step how to create your exit strategy and get ready to launch your new coaching, consulting, or online mentoring business the way it worked for me and hundreds of my clients. And I hope this is something you are ready to invest in, because if you've been curious or you've been thinking about it, take action. It's free. You have nothing to lose. Join me there. Can't wait to see you on the inside.